Hi there, and welcome to today's Zen in 10 practice. And for today's practice, we're going to explore the magic of our breath. And we'll explore a few breath practices together. If you have anything sinusy or respiratory going on, feel free to make up your own count. And those of you who it feels good for, just follow along with my practice. And the idea with this Zen in 10 practice is that we're just going to really slow down and tune into our breath, lengthening it, shortening it, pausing it, and noticing how that feels in our body and seeing if that can really bring us to a place of feeling a little bit calmer and more in tune with that mind body connection. So, sitting whatever way is comfortable for you. You might be sitting in a chair, you might be standing, you might choose to sit cross legged. There's no right way or wrong to do this, but I would invite you to take a seat or a position where you can have your spine straight and where you will feel comfortable for the next few moments. And if it's comfortable and safe to do so, I'd invite the eyes to close here for me. And taking a moment here, just exploring the natural rhythm of your breath. How does it feel to allow your body to breathe deeply? Noticing how your body breathes. And each time the mind wanders, just gently and kindly guiding it back to this breath and the next breath and this breath. Exploring where the breath enters the body, the sensations of the body on the in-breath, and exploring how the body feels as we exhale. And just floating and flowing between that in-breath and that exhale as the body breathes naturally. And in a moment, if it feels comfortable in your body, we're going to explore lengthening our exhale. So the count I'll take you through is inhaling for 4 and exhaling for 8. And we'll do a few rounds of that and then come back to our regular rhythm of breath. And just paying attention how it feels to lengthen the exhale and choosing a count that might feel more comfortable for you. If something doesn't feel right in your body, make the adjustments to really take care of yourself. So if you're following with my count, when you're ready, I'll invite you to get that spine nice and tall, soften the shoulders. If it's safe to do so, allow the eyes to close. And when you're ready, let's begin to inhale, 2, 3, 4, and slowly exhaling for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhaling, 2, 3, 4, and slowly exhaling for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling, 2, 3, 4. And slowly exhaling for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling, 2, 3, 4. And slowly exhaling for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhaling, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once more, inhaling, 2, 3, 4, and exhaling, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then releasing that breath practice and coming back once again to your own natural flow of breath. And really exploring how the body feels now. allowing yourself this stillness, this softness, this space just to be, and noticing the changing sensations in your body. As breath by breath, you just place your attention on how the body breathes. Continuing to follow your own natural rhythm of breath, I'm going to explain our next breath practice, and then feel free to join in with me when it feels good for you. So, our next breath practice is a lovely yogic breath practice called Nadi Shodhana, and essentially that is alternate nostril breathing. Pay attention to the instructions. They can confuse you if you haven't done it before, but very quickly you'll get the hang of it. I'll invite you to take your right hand up and use your left hand to support that right elbow. You're going to take your index and middle finger and drop them down so your ring finger and your thumb are upright. Your right hand is just resting in that left elbow, spine straight, shoulders soft, and a comfortable seat. I'll demonstrate first, then I'll talk you through it in a moment. You're going to close that right nostril. We're going to inhale 2, 3, 4 left, close left, exhale through 2, 3, 4 right. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Close right, exhale left, 2, 3, 4. And that's considered one round of breathing. So I'll be talking you through the whole way. And the main thing is just closing one nostril and then the opposite. And that's where the alternate nostril breathing name comes from. So taking your seat, lengthening tall, softening the shoulders. And if it's comfortable, allow the eyes to close here. Heart lifting, shoulders softening, and that right elbow just resting in the left hand. Using your right thumb, closing that right nostril, let's inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Close left, exhale right, 2, 3, 4. Inhaling right, 2, 3, 4. Close right, exhale left, 2, 3, 4. One round done. Inhaling left, 2, 3, 4. Close left, exhale right, 2, 3, 4. Inhaling right, 2, 3, 4. Close right, exhale left, 2, 3, 4. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Close left, exhale right, 2, 3, 4. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Close right, exhale left, 2, 3, 4. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Close left, exhale right, 2, 3, 4. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Close right, exhale left, 2, 3, 4. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Close left, exhale right, 2, 3, 4. Inhaling right, 2, 3, 4. Close right, exhale left, 2, 3, 4. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Close left, exhale right, 2, 3, 4. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Close right, exhale left, 2, 3, 4. One more round. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Close left, exhale right, 2, 3, 4. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Close right, exhale left, 2, 3, 4. And then just release the arms down, release the nostrils. And once again, returning to your natural flow of breath. Allowing the body to breathe naturally. And just tuning in to how your body is in this moment. Over and over again, just placing your attention on the breath, on the body breathing, and really allowing yourself this little pause to be here now. You may choose to stay a little longer, or if you're finished in this 10-minute practice, slowly and gently bringing a little movement into the body, allowing the eyes to open, and namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me. See you next time.